Today we talked about adding unlike denominators. Now, if you watched most of the videos before, you should have a great idea of what we're going to be doing today. This is very similar to comparing fractions. We learned two methods today. The first one was the LCM method, once again least common multiple. The second method was the cross multiply method. Alright, for the LCM method, we're going to look at the denominators. We have 5 and 10. So we're going to come off to the side and we're going to write all the multiples for 5 and 10. Alright, so I like to go one and then the other. So start off with 5, you have 5 and then you have 10. Alright, then the next one you have 10 and then it would be 20. But as you see here, we already have a connection of 10. So therefore, our LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Really make sure that your students, your children, are writing down the initial numbers first, because some people are skipping that part and then they'll go and say the LCM is 20. Okay, so make sure they put down 5 and 10. Alright, so now we're going to write our new denominator, which is 10. We're going to look for our multiplier. How do we go from 5 to 10? Our multiplier here would be 2. So therefore we're going to multiply that fraction by 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4. And then we're going to come over to the second one. The multiplier from going from 10 to 10 is 1. So 3 times 1 equals 3. So now we have our new fractions with the same denominator. 4 tenths, 3 tenths. From there, it's just adding. We know 4 tenths plus 3 tenths equals 7 tenths. I think everyone is okay with the whole don't add the denominator part. But just in case, if you see them get 7/20ths, remind them that they don't want to add the denominators there. Alright. Going down to the cross multiplication part. This one here, you're going to first multiply your two denominators, 5 and 10, which gives you 50. So our new denominator is 50 for both sides. Alright, from there we're just going to do cross multiplying. We're going to multiply 10 times 2, which gives us 20. We're going to multiply 5 times 3, which gives us 15. And as you can see here, this is just the multipliers. That's just another way of doing it. So when we add them together, 20 50ths plus 15 50ths gives us 35 50ths. Now we don't want to leave it just like that. We have to figure out what number can go into 35 and 50. Well, from here, we know that the common factor of 35 and 50 is 5. Alright, so then we get 35 divided by 5, which is 7. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Right. Now, just to let you know, I really do prefer that the children learn the LCM method, because that eliminates the extra step of trying to reduce the fraction here. Even though most of them know how to do it, this will get you to the lowest fraction already.